Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to reconnect your Amazon Fire Stick remote back to your Fire Stick. Now, I recently had this paired to a different Fire Stick, and I want to reconnect it to my main Fire Stick. Now, what I'm going to do is unplug my Amazon Fire Stick from the wall outlet, and this could be for like 5 seconds or maybe like 10 seconds, but just simply reconnect it, restart it. Then you want to take out the batteries on the remote as well. And then you want to go ahead and place the batteries back in once the Amazon Fire Stick is turned on and is connecting. So this is completely unconnected now. The batteries are back in. And then I'm going to wait for this to fully boot up. Alright, so I'm back in the login screen. Now I'm going to hold down the home button on the remote for at least 10 seconds, and this will put the remote into the syncing or the pairing mode, and there will be a green light blinking on the top right here. So continue to hold down the button, and I would say hold this down for at least 20 seconds, maybe longer, for it to sync, and repeat the process until it actually connects to the Fire Stick. And you can try it out by moving around. So it hasn't synced yet, so I'm going to hold down the home button for a little bit longer now. Also, be aware of like the distance you are from the Amazon Fire Stick. You might want to get a little bit closer so there's a good signal. Now, if it still doesn't work, there's a little bit of a trick that you can try. So I get my TV remote right here, and I have HDMI CEC on my TV. So if you go to like the menu, make sure this is turned on under like System. So I'm going to go under here and then scroll on down. So you may have something similar. This is called AnyNet Plus on Samsung TVs, but it's HDMI CEC. Make sure this is turned on. Then go to Sources, and then choose the AnyNet Plus or the HDMI CEC source and select it. And now you'll notice that you can control the Amazon Fire Stick with your remote. So let's select Dad right here, and then scroll on over to Settings, go down, go to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, then go to Amazon Fire TV Remotes and go to Add New Remote, and it's going to place the Amazon Fire Stick into the sync mode. Now hold down the home button on the remote, and it should show up under here like immediately. So as soon as it starts blinking, it should display. So let's hold this down, and now it's blinking, and it should show up under this list. Alright, so it's on top now. Now use your TV remote and simply select the option. So it says it's ready to pair. So let's go up to it and then select it. And now I can use this remote again. Alright, so it's working. So that's an easy workaround if it's being difficult to connect. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.